Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Native War Paints, Raspberry Sorbet and Moyra 01 Florality 2. I've started off with Peel Ease as my base coat, and here is Native War Paints Raspberry Sorbet. I've had this one a while and I've actually already done a manicure with it. I didn't realize until after I had done this one that I had already used this one at one point on my channel, but here we go again. At least it's been a while. So I'm capping my free edge. This one is quite sheer, so I will definitely need one or two more coats of it. It's got a beautiful gold shimmer in it, and it is apparent on the nails. It's really pretty out in the sun. Hi Woody, how you doing? So there we go with two coats. I am going to go ahead and go in with that third coat just to make sure I've got, pretty good coverage. And these are easy coats, so I'm not having any trouble. It's drying down pretty quick, not real thick on the nail. And now I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so that we can do some nail art. Beautiful glossy top coat, love it. Love it, love it. And there's Woody again. So this is the Moyra Stamping Plate 1.0 Florality 2. I'm going to be using this rose image. And I will be using the Nicole Diary today. And this is a copper color called Glowing Fire. I'm going to start off with my Bundle Monster Monocle Stamper and my Beauty Scraper. But I think I ended up changing stampers. We'll see. So when I do a full image like this, I like to cover the whole image really well with polish, and I'm very careful with my scraping because, it's got so much open space that it's easy to, get messed up. And I did get some of that polish on one of my other nails, so I'm going to use some non-acetone remover and just lightly wipe over it and get it to go away. The nails were rather dry, so I was able to do that with that top coat on there. And we're going to go in and do this again. I love this copper stamp and polish from Nicole Diary. It is so pretty. Oh, got some issues going on here. I'm over scraping. Hopefully we'll be able to salvage this one. Yep, it's a keeper. Okay, well, I got a little bit of extra down here. I'm wasting a lot of time. I'm hoping it'll still stick. Ugh, the issues we have when we stamp. So there we go. I'm going to top this one with some Posh Top Coat. Seal it in. You can see I've already done that middle nail, and it's just, the top coat just makes this. It just makes it look just seamless and beautiful. I do really, really like this one, though. A little different. I left a couple of nails open so we could just, stare at the pretty base color. Hi, Woody. You back again? Busy fella. So there we go. That is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. That is all I have for today. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.